Hi everyone, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, which is mainly for writers, but everyone is welcome. My name's Juliet, and today I'm going to be talking about special characters in Scrivener. This is Scrivener for PC, and I'll put the version number down in the description. What do I mean by special characters? Well, in Microsoft Word, they're the characters you would find under symbols. So, as a writer, we're mainly going to be thinking about accents. Let's get into it. So let's say we want to put the acute accent on cliché. There are a couple of ways to do this. First, go to the Edit menu and choose Character Map. There you'll see all the available characters listed. Click on the one you want, select, and copy. You can then paste the character into your document. Unfortunately, it won't follow the formatting, so you'll have to do that manually. The second option is to know the keystrokes that will produce that character. You can find this out by going back into the character map and looking in the bottom right-hand corner once you've highlighted the character you want. For an acute accent on the E, we want Alt 0233. Close the character map, hold down the Alt key and type 0233 on the number pad. The E with the acute accent appears in the correct format. So if you're frequently using the same characters, it's probably better to have a list of the codes you'll need. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.